Hello student, today we'll start unit number 3, Introduction to DBMS and SQL RDBMS. So topic, need and overview, hierarchy, classification, creating a database table and basics of normalization and data integrity. So starting with the database. What is meant by database? So in one line we can call it as database is a collection of data. In order to be able to add and manipulate data, you first have to create a database. When creating tables, you must also decide on the structure of each table, the number of columns, the type of data each column may hold, how the table will be intended, and several other factors. So in DBMS database creation, we have to create that, or we have to first collect the data. Once you collect the data, then further manipulation means what are the process you want to do on that database, that is possible, right? So here is the challenging task is creating the tables, right? So how can create the table, how the number of columns, how the number of rows, you can add, modify, okay, we'll learn in this SQL. So there are the basic things to decide when creating a structure for your data. So first, the number of tables to include in your database as well as the table name. Second, for each table, the number of column it should contain as well as the column name. Then third, for each column, what kind of data is to be stored? Okay, so I repeat again, the number of table include your database as well as the table name. For each table, the number of column it should contain as well as the column name. For each column, what kind of data is to be stored. Then creating a database with database management system, many tasks can be done either via programmatically or user interface. Creating databases is no exception. Database table. In relational database table contains the data. When you query the database, you query the tables, right? So means after filing the query, we can find out the respective fields also. Then classification based on the data model. The most popular data model is used today is the relational data model. Well known DBMS like Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2 and MySQL support these models. These are most important. The most popular data model used today is the relational data model, well known as DBMS, like a Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2 and MySQL support this model. Object-oriented database are different from relational database, which are the table-oriented, right? So in the latest in L&T Drive, the company is asking the question on the SQL, right? So this, as point of view company also, the database is important. Whenever we are storing the data, at that time security is more in the Oracle also as compared to MNX. Okay, so different so companies are using the different models as well as the different structures of the database. See the normalization. Normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing table to eliminate data redundancy. Redundancy means repetitions and undesirable characteristic like insertion, update, deletion. Okay, so like this one, it is multi-step process that puts data into tabular forms, removing duplicate data from the relational tables. Okay, normalization means what? Is a systematic approach of decomposing table to eliminate data redundancy. Right? Repetition if exists, that should be removed, eliminates in the normalization. Okay, so by doing the such type of characteristic. Then next is your data integrity. Data integrity is the maintenance of and assurance of accuracy, consistency of data over its entire life cycle, and is a critical aspect to the design, implementation, and usage of the any system which store, processes, or retrieves data. Retrieves data. Okay, so data integrity is nothing but maintenance, right? Maintenance of your whatever the data. Okay, in one line you can call as. Okay, so guys, here is the most important, this DBMS. There are different models like Oracle, MySQL, etc. So whenever we have to prepare the database, we require the different softwares. In the coming lecture, I will discuss on that respect to softwares. Everyone, those having the laptop, they try to install that software and try to create the different databases by firing the different SQL queries like a create a table, alter the table, delete the table, delete row, delete specific column, delete specific entries, redundancy. Okay, so this thing we can do it by using this uh, after the installation of the respective softwares. Okay, so I hope you understood the starting of the unit number 3. Okay, so on this unit we are having the third experiment, so creation of the table. Thank you.